In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Western Union to bank account. So for this, we will need to use the desktop version of Western Union. So just get on a PC, log in with your account, and we will need to begin a new transfer here. So once you have selected new transfer, you want to choose the country to which you will be sending money. So for example, here we will do the United States, and we will need to select the amount that we will be sending as well. So once we select the amount here, it's going to calculate how much they get, as well as show us the conversion rate here, and you can see all of the information to the right side. Now, how does your receiver want the money? We can choose cash, and then make sure you have selected credit or debit card because it will have no fees in our case. If you have a promo code, you can add it right here and just click on continue. Now here we'll just accept these, and basically we will need to write the receiver's first name and last name here, as well as select their state. Their phone number is optional. The purpose of transaction, we can choose gift, and the source of funds here we can choose from which account we will be sending the money. So salary, income, savings. So from savings, for example, here if we click on continue, then here we can add our payment information. So add new card. Here we'll write our card number, the expiration date, the CVV. If we click on continue, this is going to send the money to that person's bank, and that's basically how you should do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.